Google Maps is incredible, but it's quietly made us worse at something humans were once amazing at: knowing where we are. We used to build mental maps of the world. Every trip was a puzzle we solved, street by street, landmark by landmark. But today, most of us don't actually know where we are. We only know where the blue dot is. An app tells us when to turn, where to park, which lane to be in.
Head west on South Lucille Street toward East Marginal Way South.
It's convenient, but it comes with a cost. Because the more we outsource our sense of direction, the more our brains stop practicing it. Neuroscientists have found that when we navigate actively, the brain lights up in all sorts of ways: memory, spatial reasoning, even creativity. But when we follow turn-by-turn instructions, those areas barely activate. There's a part of the brain called the hippocampus, the same area used for memory. London taxi drivers famously grow this region because they memorize thousands of routes. But when you hand that job to a phone, the hippocampus literally shrinks from underuse. This is why so many people feel disoriented without GPS. It isn't that we've gotten older, it's that we've stopped navigating. And the blue dot does something subtle. It rewires how we think about space. Instead of understanding the world as shapes and distances, we start seeing it as a sequence of commands. Turn left, turn right, recenter, zoom in. We're so focused on the next step that we lose the big picture entirely. And that's why people get lost in routes they've taken a dozen times, because the map lives in the phone, not in their mind. Printed maps kind of do the opposite. When you look at a map, even for 30 seconds, you activate the entire spatial part of your brain. You start forming relationships. This is north of that. This river bends around this city. This country is bigger than I remembered. This road connects these two places. You're not following instructions, you're building understanding. It's the difference between being led somewhere and actually knowing where you are. We're not talking about becoming human compasses or survival experts, just reconnecting with a skill humans have used for thousands of years. When you see a big map every day, something changes. Your world gets larger again. You remember places, you notice details, your brain comes alive. So maybe GPS didn't actually make us dumber, it just made us a little disconnected from the world around us. A printed map can bring that connection back. A map doesn't tell you what to do, it shows you what's possible. And if you've been feeling a little lost, a big map might help you find your place again.